In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable PayPal on Woocommerce in just 5 minutes. This will streamline your payment process and make it easier for your customers to shop with you. Let's dive right in and ensure you're set up for success. To get started, you'll want to navigate to WordPress.com. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL. If you haven't logged in yet, now is the time to do so. Click on the Login button, which is usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Enter your credentials and click Login to access your WordPress account. This will bring you to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, the next step is to explore Woocommerce settings. Look for the Woocommerce option in the left-hand menu and click on it. This section is where you'll be configuring how the e-commerce components of your website work, including payments. Now, in the Woocommerce section, head over to the settings by clicking on Settings. This option will reveal more tabs that help you configure different aspects of your e-commerce settings. The next focus is an essential part of setting up payments, the Payments tab. Click on it to proceed. In the Payments section, you will see various payment methods available for integration. Locate PayPal, which is one of the most popular and trusted online payment solutions. Once you've found it, click on PayPal. This takes you to the PayPal configuration page. On the PayPal settings page, you'll be able to enter your credentials and further customize PayPal to suit your store's needs. Make sure to have your PayPal account details handy so you can input them accurately. Typically, you'll need an API key or account email to link your account and set the integration in motion. Once you've entered the necessary information, check through the additional options available. You might see toggle settings for enabling PayPal, selecting currency options, or setting specific checkout features according to your preference. Finally, save your changes. Make sure everything you've done is securely kept and your settings are updated properly. Take a moment to ensure that PayPal is shown as an available payment method for your store. There you have it. You've now successfully enabled PayPal on Woocommerce, paving the way for more efficient and secure transactions for both you and your customers. This quick setup not only enhances the usability of your online store, but also boosts customer confidence in completing their purchases. Thank you for tuning in, and happy selling!